Want to lock apps on your iPhone for extra privacy? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, unlock your iPhone and scroll to the app you want to lock. Press and hold on the app, then choose the option to require passcode or Face ID from the drop-down menu. If you haven't set up a passcode or Face ID yet, you'll need to do that first. To set it up, open the Settings app, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode, and tap Turn Passcode On. Choose the type of passcode you want, like a 4-digit code, 6-digit code, custom numeric, or even an alphanumeric code. Enter it twice to confirm. Then, enter your Apple ID password and tap Sign In at the top. Now that your passcode is set, go back to the app you want to lock. Press and hold on the app again, then select Require Passcode from the drop-down menu. Next, tap Require Passcode from the options that appear and confirm by entering your iPhone passcode. From now on, whenever you open that app, your iPhone will ask for your passcode first. You can repeat this process for any other apps you want to lock. And that's it. You've successfully locked apps on your iPhone using a passcode. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.